So I've shuffled the deck from the other day, and these are each the cards from the other day. So we're going to go like this. We've got the 4, and, excuse me, the 5 of Cups, and the 2. So they're in there backwards from where they were. And we have the King of Machetes, the 7 of Coins, excuse me, Three of Cups, Six of Machetes, the Lovers, and the 9 of Cups. I'll have to go through this later. I hope everyone has had a good weekend. Toodles. Love you all.